Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Today we're looking at this approved used Volkswagen T28 Transporter Highline. The vehicle comes in the long wheelbase format and features a 2.0 TDI diesel engine pushing out 150 PS. The vehicle also comes with a 7-speed DSG automatic gearbox. This example is finished in the metallic paint colour Indium Grey, and across the front of the vehicle we can see that it comes with a colour coordinated front bumper, complete with front parking sensors as well as front fog lamps with a cornering function. Down below, the van sits on the 16-inch Clayton alloy wheels which come in a 5 twin-spoke star design, and to the rear of the vehicle there is a set of rear barn doors. The vehicle also features a handy rear view camera located just beneath the VW badge, and also comes with a set of rear parking sensors useful for when parking or manoeuvring. Taking a look into the load area of this van, it comes in a factory fresh condition. There is a set of lashing points dotted through the load area floor. Access into the rear load area can also be found on either side of the vehicle through these twin sliding doors. A black steel bulkhead separates the load area from the cab, and steps allow for easy access. Up front in the driver's cab there is a singular seat with 2 armrests for the driver, as well as a twin-seater passenger bench. All the seats are finished in the bricks woven fabric upholstery, and there's plenty of leg space for the front passengers as well as the driver. The vehicle comes with a 6.5-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system, as well as featuring 2 front heated seats as well as climatic air conditioning. There's also a 12-volt outlet handy for charging those smart devices, and the driver has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather-trimmed steering wheel.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year roadside assistance. For any further information, you can inquire online or give us a call on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.